Market volatility has tested manufacturing supply chains to the limit, breaking established models and causing material shortages. To move forward, manufacturers need a new approach, one that improves resilience while increasing flexibility. How do you achieve this? By following Aptean's 4 steps to supply chain transformation. Step 1. Stop basing every decision on cost and focus on customer expectations. Just-in-time manufacturing allows you to run lean, but there's no room to maneuver if a supplier lets you down. Consider moving to a just-in-case strategy, where you factor in potential risks when choosing suppliers and managing inventory. Step 2. Put more resources into planning demand. You can't manage what you can't see. Gaining complete data visibility allows you to sense market changes early, so you can align with key suppliers and meet changing customer needs. Step 3. Widen your supplier network. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a high-risk strategy. Start building a database of suppliers in different parts of the world and maintain strong relationships with them to understand their availability and lead times. Step 4. Invest in future-proofing technology. Quick responses are critical to limiting supply chain disruption. Investing in manufacturing ERP technology will connect your workforce and automate processes for faster, smarter decision-making. Aptean's manufacturing ERP software is designed to future-proof your supply chain by showing everyone in your business what's happening in real time, so you can match inventory levels with scheduling. Get materials to your production line as quickly and cost-efficiently as possible, and easily adapt to market changes to deliver on customer expectations. Build a resilient, agile supply network. Schedule your free manufacturing ERP demo at aptean.com.